Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to rename your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your active earbud. At the first line we have a name. Tap at this line. And right here you can write the best one for you. You can remove some text, but I want to only add this one. The most important is to click Done at the right top to save this new name. Here we go. And now if we go back, we see that we change it. Now we need to do the same for the left one, if you want to. So firstly we need to disconnect active earbud. Disconnect. And then tap at the second earbud. And now we have connection with the second. Click the information icon near to this earbud, and also now we have the name. Tap at this line and write the best one for you. And I wanna also add this text. You can again remove some text if you need it. And we need to click Done. And also, if you have iOS 26, at the right bottom you will have not done but just checkmark button. Tap at that button. And we also change it, so we use a new one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!